Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class, our World Through English textbook of class 8. So, I would like to give brief summary of the lessons that we have covered for the FA1 syllabus. It may be useful for a few of you, those who have missed the online classes in the beginning days due to different reasons. Some of you joined the online classes late. So, these brief videos will be helpful for you. So, today I am starting with the first chapter of your English textbook, The Tattered Blanket. It comes in the unit 1, the family. The name of the chapter is The Tattered Blanket. The theme of the unit 1 is family. So, as you know, the family is the group of people living together, like parents, children, grandparents, cousins, nephews, and so on. So, we have two types of families. One is the joint family, another one is the nuclear family. So, when the grandparents, parents, grandchildren, other relatives, they all live under a single roof in a same home, we can say it is a joint family. And when the parents and the children, they live in a home, it is called nuclear family. So, olden days, years back, we had joint families more in number, and nowadays we have nuclear families more in number. So, because of different reasons, maybe the purpose of education, purpose of the profession of the parents, so different reasons make the family members to scatter, to live separate from the joint family, and they are finding their own shelter, they are finding their own homes, and they are living separately as nuclear families. So, this scattering of the family from joint to nuclear made a deterioration in the human values or the love and affection among the family members. So, they find less time to meet, they find less time to talk each other. So, because of that, the strength or the bond of love and affection among the family members has come down. So, in this lesson, The Tattered Blanket, the writer Kamala Das, a famous writer in Malayalam, she explains the same concept, how the love and affection between the family members or among the family members has come down, the reason for that. So, here the title of the lesson or story is Tattered Blanket. You know, blanket is a cloth which we use to cover our body, to protect our body from cool atmosphere or winter, etc. It is called a blanket, a cloth used to cover our body. And the tattered in sense, it is a damaged one, damaged, not in a good condition. So, the poet tries to explain the story of a old woman, a mother, and her two children, one daughter and one son. They are not too young, they are grown up, a woman and a man, and their mother, a old woman. So, this young man, he got married. His name is Mr. Gobi, his sister is Miss Kamala, and their mother. So, Mr. Gobi is working in New Delhi along with his wife and children, and Miss Kamala is staying with their mother, the old woman, who is so aged that she is not in a state to remember things properly. She is not in a stage to recognize people in a proper way. She can identify people, not recognize people. Such a stage she was, the mother. And Gobi, who is staying away from his mother at Delhi, New Delhi, he finds no time to have an interaction with his mother. So, as you know, at present time, we have mobile phones. We can make audio calls, we can make video calls, we can chat with our family members or friends. But years back, this mobile phone was not even used, only land phones were there, it also was not familiar. In those days, people used to interact among themselves by using the letters sending letters to the family members, to the friends and so on. So Mr. Gobi didn't find time to send even letter to his mother. That was the condition. So he completely forgot his mother, and the mother also, she was in a condition, she doesn't remember where Gobi is working now, who is his mother, who is his wife, how many children he has got, etc. She couldn't remember. So Kamala is the only one who is taking care of the mother, the sister of Gobi. On a particular day, Gobi has to come to Trivandrum, from New Delhi to Trivandrum, to attend an official meeting. As part of his official meeting, he happened to come to Trivandrum, and on the way back, he decided to go and meet his mother. So this meeting, or the coming of Gobi to meet his mother, it was not because of his extreme love or affection, but only to get his share of family property. So he shared his idea to his sister Kamala. His coming was not only to meet mother, but he wanted to sell the family share property, and he wanted to earn money. So when Kamala asked Gobi, why don't you come and meet your mother, or why don't you even send a letter, and he has his own explanations, his own excuses, that lack of time, busy with his work, and moreover he says, I came to get my share, get the share of my property and sell it and get money, because at present I find it very difficult to meet both ends of my life. So the earning of Gobi was not sufficient to look after the family. So he wanted to get some more money by selling the share of his property, and he wanted to take that money and he wanted to go back to Delhi to join his family, his wife and children. So here Kamala gets shocked by knowing that Gobi came not to meet his mother but to sell his property. So finally she scolds him, you take whatever you want and you can go, but don't come again. When you come back again, you may not meet your mother. She will be no more, because she is so weak now, she is so aged now, and we can't expect how long she will be alive as her is now. So here the mother, when Gobi reaches near the gate, the mother couldn't recognize him. As I told you earlier, she was unable to recognize people. She can't remember things properly. She lost the memory. So she couldn't recognize her own son standing near the gate. So by thinking that the young man as someone else, the old mother asked Gobi, who are you? Do you know my son Gobi, who is working in New Delhi, or who was working in Chennai, who was working in Madras and so. And she says, my son, who was while working in Madras, he had brought me a blanket which I am using now. The blanket is completely damaged. So I am waiting for a new blanket from my son. So here the tattered blanket or the damaged blanket is a symbol, or it represents the damaged relation between the son and the mother or any family member. So we have to replace the tattered blanket with a new blanket. So the new blanket is nothing but we have to make our intimacy, we have to make our love and affection among the family members more strong. That is what is the writer says through this title, the tattered blanket. So the writer wants to convey the same message to the readers. At present scenario, present stage, each and every person is becoming selfish. So they do not have time to consider others. They do not have time to love and care others. So we have to change that concept, and we have to take care of others, other family members, then our family friends, and so on. For that we have to bring back the old system, that is interacting with others, not being isolated, not being selfish, being kinder towards others. So all this should come back to our life. So the nuclear family is not the only one problem for this change in the society, but the mentality of people also should change. Then we can see that all will be loved. There will be no old age homes. So old age homes are used to give shelter for the old people in the family, because the youngsters, the children or the grandchildren, they find difficult to take care of the grandparents. So the parents will send them to the old age homes. So we can reduce the old age homes, or we can say no old age homes. For that we have to take care of the aged people in the families. So we have to remove this tattered blanket, and you have to replace the tattered blanket with a good blanket, a new blanket, that is love and affection. So this tattered blanket represents the lack of love and affection. So that is the content of the story. I hope all of you understood what I explained now. Once again, you read textbook and you consult the concerned teacher of your class and get more information from him or her. I will be back with the next video, with the next chapter. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.